I'm Alice Stoltz from Domain, and today I'm in Hawthorn, one of my favourite suburbs in Melbourne. I'm going to take you around and show you what makes this place so special. Something I absolutely need in my life is the ability to have everything at my fingertips. Glenferrie Road is one of those places. It's got everything I need. Let me show you some of the amenities around here. The pool in particular is a personal favourite. Local neighbourhood parks are so important to me and the way that you live. This one is particularly beautiful in Henry Street, Hawthorn. Now I'm going to have a drink, maybe watch a film. I can do whatever I want, it's all here. Okay, so you've seen how beautiful this area is, but where do people live? Let me show you Scotch Hill Gardens. It is beautiful, contemporary, and bang on brand for Hawthorn. Matt, so good to be here today. You had all of Melbourne. Why did you decide this spot in Hawthorn to do this development?
Over Hampton's 20 years developing in Melbourne, we've always sought after development sites that just have a great connection to nature. Hawthorn's one of Melbourne's most prestigious blue chip suburbs. Amazing leafy streets, schools, transport connectivity. It's got everything. We worked really closely with Woods Bagot to create a collection of boutique buildings that each have a connection to something that's prevalent in the architecture in Scotch Hill. But even if you're at the lower levels in the buildings, you've got that beautiful vegetated vale with the retained trees around the perimeter. So you really feel connected to nature or connected to the city. We're looking to redo the entire streetscape of Bill Street with new landscaping, making it pedestrianised. And with other complementary retailers, we're just looking to curate a beautiful little village with a beautiful little boutique streetscape. It's going to be lovely. And some new trees as well.
Yeah, fantastic. It's a beautiful sweet spot you've just hit. How great and charming is this area? Everything is nearby. I feel happy, replenished, and very deserving of an ice cream.